Welcome back. Today we are installing a new part on the boosted Mustang. We are switching to the maxflow race blow-off valve so we can get better flow out of this one. The stock blow-off valve was giving a lot of it was like fluttering a lot, RPMs, losing a lot of boost. They say it's good for 6 to 8 pounds, but I don't know where I'm at boost wise. So we're gonna go to this one just to make sure it flows a little better and it gives that classic airplane sound too that we will hear. I'm gonna give you a couple revs. I'm gonna show you some videos of how it sounds right now, and then we're gonna do it before and after, show you how it is. Real easy install, bolts right on to the inside. In fact, I'm gonna show you. It's right in. You can probably see the stock one right there, and you know, the vacuum line, all that stuff. We're just gonna change it right out. Adjustment you can do with that one. But I'm not gonna mess with it too much until like I know I got to, like if everything's not running good with this. Let y'all hear. Look at that new belt right there. Got that new belt. Let y'all hear what it sounds like now. For comparison, then we're gonna do the install and wrap it up. Probably heard a little bit of the spool, but you didn't really hear a lot of intake noise and a lot of blow off noise. So let's switch it out and see if it really makes a difference or not. Like every other install, I gotta take everything apart. Oh, I'm not taking all this out. Cut the tape, cut the tape. I ended up having to take everything out again. Some people probably did do it without it, but it is what it is. They're gonna take this off, which doesn't usually take me that long anyway, and then we're going to get to the rest of the install. Oh, hopefully the easy way, which would be by using this here. Well, it's going to be a struggle to get this off. I might have to cut it. There should be enough length. They have to cut this vacuum line because I didn't know how to get it off without messing it up, so hopefully it's enough line to not be too short. Can't get anything up. This will flow a lot better. You see the insides, but this is a little bit more restrictive. This lets everything out all around. This is kind of just one way out. So gasket on there, boom, put your valve on there, just get in like this. Then you get your 2 cap screws. You're just gonna sit those in there, screw them in a little bit. Same thing on the other side. Hold them in. Start screwing that in. Same thing on this side, but I know it's not gonna go in right because I went through some trouble with this. This one's a little harder to get out and everything. So I had to take everything off basically again. But let's start it up, and I broke this clamp here. So I replace it with this. It's broke, don't over tighten it. So let's start it up and see if we hear a difference. All right, let's get some flybys. Let's put everything back together, get some flybys, and wrap it up. But that is the difference between the 2 blow-off valves. Hopefully I'll be able to get all the boost I need now, and I won't have any leaks or any surges. The surges seem like they're gone, so that's good. But as you can see, flows a lot better. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Browse the channels for more.